carrying this one for about 2-3 weeks, and as my everyday carry knife.
Looks like it's a...
But it's a clone of the Benchmade 940, and I thought, well, I'll get it because I've always wanted a 940, but I can't justify spending that much money on a knife. They're $200 or $300, something like that. But after carrying this one for a couple of weeks, I'm glad I haven't spent the money on a 940, because I do not like the crossbar lock. I know a lot of Benchmade fans will be like mind blown at that, but it's just my personal preference.